For this episode, after having to do a bit of work, turista naman ako. I enjoyed, of course, good food. Great discovery, kayo. It serves wood smoked meats. I heard this is a nice place to have some meat, smoked meat that is, and it's called kayo. And it resonated with me because kayo in Cebuano means fire, but apparently, kayo here means wood. Makes sense pa rin. So, come on, let's check it out. For me. So this is such a spread, and we have everything you'd probably love if you are a meat eater, and I don't know where to start. Di ba chicken tayo mag-start? Okay. Small piece of chicken. Ayan. Smoked as well. When you eat smoked or cured meat, usually you will see nagpipink yung meat. Hindi siya hilaw, it's because it's cured eh. You should know better. I have the sausage. I think this is Cabsat, right? Stays. Nice. I think this one alone can serve like 6. Ako lang yung matakaw, then yung ibang kasama ko hindi matakaw. Super tender ng ating brisket. Very tender. I tell you guys, ito siya. This is real deal smoked. You really taste it. The aroma has developed. I just show you how tender the pork Really falls off the bone. Look at that. It's time for me to try the burger. We'll cut it further. 1/4 piece. Really meaty burger. Look at that. This one's real. Then it has a chimichurri sauce. Sampal talaga sa sarap. So now, I've reviewed it, so I will share this with everyone else. Kain na tayo. Akin na tong ribs. The flavors were good. And they used tamarind wood for it. You know? So it's hardwood, slowly smoked. Oh, that was satisfying. That was one of the best meals I had here. And I didn't expect that. That evening, we had dinner at Cabsat and beautiful interiors. Oh my God, beautiful. You know, all the wood paneling, you know, the rattan fixtures, the lighting. It had the perfect vibe. Because Cabsat is not just a restaurant now, they have villas on the side. So it was like a 5-star experience, but in a beachfront, but it was open to the public. Anyone could just walk in. You can enter from the shoreline, direct, order a drink, order a meal, and luxury, but affordable. And I think that's what works for La Union. It isn't so pricey, and you have so many options. It's such a beautiful place here in Cabsat, and look at the spread we have for us. Of course, we'll start with their signature Cabsat pancit, loaded with toppings, liempo, parang barbecued liempo. And I love pancit, you know that. And we also have our crispy kare-kare. Very classic na mga Pinoy favorites. Bulalo, we have our tuna panga, we have grilled fish na pampano, we have barbecue sisig. Sarap. Crispy kare-kare. Nice sauce. And, of course, bagoong. Can't have it without bagoong. And the menu is really perfect for big groups. Aside from having big servings, it also has a good selection that pleases everyone. So if you're with your family, with your barkada, you have out-of-towners, you have balikbayans, you have foreigners, they will definitely enjoy the food here in Cabsat. Drop by if you have time to eat or just stay here for a few days and you will definitely enjoy La Union. And of course, after having this heavy meal, it's time to drink. A gimmick tayo later. La Union is not just the beach, it's nightlife. We drop by Flotsam and Jetsam. Chill time at Flotsam and Jetsam. I'm having my gin tonic here and bar chow. Nice. Nothing fancy, filling, but you know, okay. Fish and chips. Flotsam is very like tropical, gypsy kind of vibe. And we had a pizza while squatting in the floor. And we had a drink in the bar. And there was a DJ playing. So, it's a fun vibe. It's very young. This is a perfect spot for you to visit. Chill time. Get drunk with your friends. And have some bar chow. I love La Union and I'll keep coming back to La Union. The biggest thing that people really come back to is if you love the ocean, if you love the beach, you love to surf, you like having people around, come to La Union and you will have exactly what you want.